Hala, tingnan nyo guys, may ano ako, may dalawang manok ako oh. Hala oh. Ay, hala, saan kaya galing tong manok na to? Saan kaya galing tong manok na to? Nandito sa aking bakuran. Oh. Hala. Saan ko tago? May manok pala dito? Ano to? Kanino kaya tong manok na naligaw dito sa ano ko, sa front yard ko? Oh. Hala. Uy, pak. Pak.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So tingnan nyo guys, bumili kami ng bagong bed sa aming camping girl kasi magka-camping kami ngayong weekend pero self-inflating bed. Tingnan mo, dahan-dahan siyang umaangat. Oh, dahan-dahan siyang umaangat guys. Flex ko lang sa inyo guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Kanina ay flat na flat pero tingnan mo ngayon guys, oh. Umaangat na siya. Di ba ang ganda? Kasi magka-camping kami guys ngayong weekend. Pe-flex ko na naman sa inyo guys. So, ito yung aming chair na binili. Ayan, oh. Dalawa ang kinuha namin. So, that's very good. They have a cover. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. So, ito na guys, ang bago naming chair sa camping. Upuan namin sa camping yan. Nag-unboxing. Ay, ang ganda. What's that for?
It's like a little table on the side
Oh,
of the chair.
ano? Very unique.
But
Hmm? So, yan na guys ang unboxing ng aming camping gear. Ayan, no? Oh. Very nice. Tapos pagkatapos mong gamitin, mayroon siyang lagayan.
big chair.
Yung dati naming camping chair ay walang lagayan. Ito ay may lagayan. So, yan lang guys ang aming unboxing for today. So guys, yan na ang bed. O, di ba? Dati ba flat na flat, ngayon nagiging bed na siya. self-inflating bed yan. Hindi mo na bombahan. Yung dati naming camping girl guys nga bed, bobombahan mo pa. Ito very easy lang, very easy. So, flex lang guys. Good morning guys, this is Nancy Tilo Mama. Ngayon guys we are on the way to our camping. So, inaantok ako pero ito, video pa rin. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ang traffic ngayon. Saturday morning dito sa Australia is 8:30 pero tingnan nyo guys ang traffic. So yan ang traffic ngayon guys. Hindi gaanong traffic pero sa Saturday morning ay dapat walang gaanong traffic. Dapat hindi ganito kadami ang sasakyan pero holiday kasi is school holiday kaya maraming mga sasakyan ay pupunta sa holiday or maybe weekend getaway. So chill guys. Guys, may nahuli doon ng police. So guys, we are on the way to toll gate. So dito sa toll gate guys, ito ang traffic ngayon. Not much. Yung may nahuli yung mismo. Hindi ko na nakuha ang mismo. So yan. Chill lang guys. Pag nasa ano na kami. Guys, approaching na kami ngayon sa toll gate. So, ito yung toll gate. Ayan guys, ang toll gate. Paakyat na kami sa toll gate bridge. Ayan. Parami ang mga sasakyan. So, doon guys, yun ang Brisbane. Yan. Yan ang Brisbane City. Diyan dumadaong yung mga barko. Yan, dagat na yan. Yan ang mga barko, mga seaman. Diyan sila. So, tingnan nyo guys. So, yan. Doon, yun ang Brisbane City. And this one is yan. Sunshine Coast. Doon kami papunta sa Sunshine Coast. Itong place na to guys ay malapit na sa airport, Brisbane Airport International and domestic of course. So chill lang guys. Ayan, aeroplano guys. Oh, ayan. Qantas airplane sa taas. So guys, ito yung part na ng Sunshine Coast. So, tignan nyo guys, Aussie World Garage. Yan ang Banana Binder Pub. Yan. Look at this view guys. Di ba ang ganda? So guys, nag-stop over kami ngayon dito sa Kenilworth. Ito yung pakita ko sa inyo guys, ang small town only. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ito yung Kenilworth. Yan guys. So, ito yung pub nila. Ito yung Kenilworth. You see guys, oh. Yan, see Kenilworth. Yan. Ito yung pub nila. So guys, ito na ang aming destination. So dito kami mag-camping. Ito na yung camping ground. Kenilworth. Tingnan nyo guys. May mga may mga kabayo dito. Oh, tingnan mo ang ganda.
In 500 meters, you arrive at Kenilworth Homestead camping spot.
So, ang ganda guys, ito. So, yan. Oh. Ang laki pala tong camping ground dito. So, yan na sila. Dami. Yan. So, dito kami.
Yeah. I'll put the car over there.
You've arrived at your destination.
Hi guys! Dumating na kami ngayon sa camping ground. And guess what guys? What Michael does? What is this?
I'm building my campfire.
Ah,
This is a little portable campfire,
yeah.
flat pack from, what was it, Kings. And I can't build it actually.
So this is the camping fire for Michael, and this their chair,
We haven't unpacked yet.
and there's this one on top.
Awning, the tents up there. Still gotta unpack some of that stuff. We've got the cooking stuff over there. And then we've got bowls and Oh no, I was gonna stay behind.
Yeah.
Say hi to Tiff.
Hello, Tep. And
We've got the cutleries,
yeah,
the plates, the bowls.
and that's
The
what you have
cups.
water.
We've got water.
Wow. And what is this?
That Michael will show you later. It's like a trolley.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
So it's like those beach trolleys.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you got everything, huh?
Yeah. Got
Because
fishing
see,
gear.
this girl is a camper addict, camping addict. Oh my goodness. And guys, look at this one, the view. And guys, me and Princess later on, we do TikTok dance. TikTok
Are you gonna come
dance.
fishing with us?
We'll see.
Gonna catch fish?
Yeah,
We got the bait right here.
yeah, okay. We do
And we
fishing.
got the boat.
So we go fishing. Oh, okay.
See you guys soon.
Okay.
Bye bye.
So guys,
Okay.
my lovely daughter
And granddaughter.
and my granddaughter,
Yeah, you forgot me.
and they are happy to see me on camping. Is
Mum's usually at the Marriott, that's why. Or the Star Casino.
Yeah, she's.
so now we are. I show you guys the good. What's that? Very greeny.
Oh yeah, just the green pastures.
So
Lola, you should make a video with your donkeys. The
what my
donkeys.
donkeys? So, tingnan nyo guys kung gaano ka ganda dito. Di ba? Guys, ang aming fridge. Yan. Yan ang battery. Yan, solar battery. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Solar battery. Yan, solar battery gamit ng aming fridge. So, ganito pag ano ng aming camping gear. Yan. At that. See, look at this. Hold this one. So, yan na ang ano. Ito na yung camping ano namin. Yan ang higaan namin. Yan. Yung kay Michael doon. Kila kay Tiffany. Saka doon sa kabila. So, ito guys. Tapos lagyan namin yan ng ano, mattress diyan. So, yan ha. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming destination. Ito guys, oh. Yan. Now, Princess and Michael, where are you going?
Look at donkeys.
Look in the camera.
Gonna look at the donkeys.
We're looking at the view.
You look for donkey. So guys, ang aking bunso nga si Michael.
Hello.
And ang siyuta ni Michael. Partner ko sa TikTok mamaya.
We're here to look at donkeys.
Donkeys. Ito na guys. Ito na ba?
Yeah, look, donkeys.
So guys.
Mum, go in.
Ha?
Go inside.
Inside?
Yeah, you're allowed to pet.
Really?
No.
You can't.
No.
They were before.
So, ayan ang donkey guys. Wow. Oh, lo.
He's actually dragging one of the army.
What are you doing there?
Oh, we're looking at ants.
Looking at ants fight.
Huh?
We're looking at ants.
I thought you came here to look with the donkey, not the ants.
Well, we just looked at the donkey,
Ah,
and now we're looking at the ants.
okay. So what's that over there? Is that
Those are like,
is a cabin?
yeah, cabins. I don't know what those are though, over there.
That's messed up.
Hey, what are those?
Uy,
What?
She wants you to save them. And also those things over there. They have.
I think that's the office and that's the
No,
cabin.
The office
the
is
office
over
is
there.
that
That small building.
Ah, yeah.
Right.
And
This
what-
is.
A
the
hall?
No, they have new
Oh, amenities.
amenities like showers and stuff.
Uh,
I don't
so
know what the big building in the middle. I don't know what that is.
so where's the shower here?
Right there. See those clothes?
You got ones there,
Yeah.
and then there are some up there.
So we walk far away.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Hala. So if you do popo,
You have to run.
my goodness.
That's why you have a car. Oh, we can't, so we got to steal your car.
Mm.
Oh yeah, let's take the firewood.
Where's Malta?
Look at this one.
Mom, you have to come here and take a picture of us. Wait, you can take a
Look at this one.
You have to stand over us, Mom.
Wait. So, ganito magluto dito sa camping. Yeah. Beef stew. Beef stew.
Oh yeah, good idea.
I assume she meant showers as well.
Campfire namin dito. Ito na yung dinner namin. Beef stew. Yan. Beef stew guys. O yan ang ano dinner namin. Tapos chicken kebabs and of course fried rice. And yan o.
You'll snap at your heels.
Theo, ready? Sit.
Sit. Good boy. Sit. Oh, good boy.
Mum, smile.
That's my boy. Ah.
Right. Sit up.
Okay. So guys, ayaw ko ng camping pero sumama ako sa camping kasi gusto ng apo ko na sasama ako sa camping nila. At sumama ako. At masaya pala pag sa camping, pagkasama mo ang pamilya mo. So guys, thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-support sa akin. Sa aking Team True Love, Bingoers, Tintin, G. Panko, Minerva, at sa lahat-lahat ng nakaka-support sa akin. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Maraming salamat. Sis Eliza, Sis Edna, and Palangga, thank you so much. Kaya guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasupport sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe para alam nyo ang susunod na kabanata ni